Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss a very important topic, mainly how we can easily identifying hydrocarbon prospectivity area in Google Earth Engine. So if you check some scientific paper, there's a lot of scientific paper already published regarding this hydrocarbon potential zone analysis. So if you check this paper, so it's one kind of paper. So it's modified satellite remote sensing technique for hydrocarbon deposit detection. You can also try to read the paper. Then you can easily get the full algorithm. Okay. So how to create and what types of data they are using here. Then you can easily get the idea. As well as if you check, this is another paper. So basically this is the paper that you had that hyperspectral imagery GF5 hyperspectral image. As well as if you check the other paper regarding this type of paper, so it's another paper. So this paper basically remote sensing and geochemistry for detecting hydrocarbon microspace. As well as if you check this, the another one, so it's very popular. So application of remote sensing for the detection of hydrocarbon pollution. So this type of technique we can easily use in Google Earth Engine, and we can easily check the hydrocarbon potential zone area. So in this case, I try to show you this paper, this type of paper, how we can easily use the code, and then we try to identify for hydrocarbon potential zone. So in this paper, so basically they are used at that, you can see they are used at that mirror. This is one kind of data set, as well as they are also used at the Landsat OLI and ETM imagery. And then they are also used here the temperature distribution. Okay. And then they are further, they are identified for potential zone. Okay. For hydrocarbon, as well as they are also including the surface runoff. Basically they are calculate the from the TEM data, NASA SRTM TEM, as well as they also calculate the drainage density and also runoff. So this type of things they're also combined, and calculating the thermal signature for vertical profile. Okay. As well as they are also calculate the soil and geothermal temperature at different latitude and rock conductivities. So if you check, I already create this type of code. In this result, we find out that the hydrocarbon potential area. So basically this type of red color indicating about the high potential zone for the hydrocarbon. And you can see I already add the legend, look like that. Okay, very low, medium and very high. So in this case, we will also use this type of data. So first of all, here I just imported the Landsat dataset, OLI dataset, which I uploaded in here. And then we are just simply center focus the given study area and computed this type of indices such as NDVI, NWI, as well as also computed the B6 and B5 ratio for geological insight. Okay, B6 and B5 ratio calculate for geological insight, as well as we also calculate the LST, land surface temperature, and compute the thermal anomalies using mira 2 as a baseline. And further we try to add the slope. Okay, from the SRTM dataset we also add the slope, and then we are just combine. You can see this is the mira 2 dataset. From here we can get the temperature or skin temperature, and then further we calculate the anomaly of that thermal anomaly we computed. And finally we said that hydrocarbon prospectivity index. So in this case I just apply for the hydrocarbon prospectivity index, I just apply the thermal anomaly 0.3, mainly 30%. Then negative, there is no influence, so that's why we are just simply negative 0.2. Then NWI, and also put the geological feature which is indicating the B6 and B5 ratio. We put the 20% 0.2 and slope 0.2. And further we just try to create this type of hydrocarbon potential zone mapping. So this type of map we can easily create using Google Earth Engine before field study. Then further we just simply go to the field and then check our result or accuracy about that. So I hope this tutorial will also help you. And further I also try to discuss about the other types of tutorial, how we can easily use the hyperspectral image to identify for hydrocarbon seep detection. As well as we also discuss about that this type of paper, remote sensing and geological for detecting the hydrocarbon microspace. As well as we also discuss about that how we can easily detect the hydrocarbon pollution. So I hope you also just keep in touch with this YouTube channel. Then I hope you can also get this type of tutorial and also get this type of things. If you have any question or any doubt, you can simply make the comment. I will try to give the answer. So today is no more. Thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.